Hi, Thomas Tigers. Welcome back. So we're learning how to multiply one digit by a two-digit number using an area model. Vocabulary for today. Digit, and those are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Area model, it's a drawing that we use. It's going to be a drawing that's using place value. And then partial product, part of an answer to a multiplication problem. So here for number 1, I have 4 times 63. Okay, so first we need to look at how many digits we have here. We have 2 digits that we're multiplying by. So since we have 2 digits we're multiplying by, we're going to draw 2 boxes. Okay, now we're going to look at the tens place. So this 4 is going to multiply by the tens place first. So for this tens place right here, we have 6 tens. So I'm going to write 60 right here since there are 6 tens. Then we're going to multiply by the ones place. And how many ones do we have here? We have 3 ones. Now I will check and make sure that this number up here is if it adds to 63. 60 plus 3 equals 63. So we're good there. Now what are we multiplying by? We're multiplying by 4. So 4 is going to go on the side. We put a little multiplication sign here because that's what our job is today, to multiply. Now, we're going to take 4 times 60. So, we take our basic fact. 4 times 6 is 24. And then we add our 0, 1, 0. And then now we got to multiply the ones. 4 times 3. Well, do a brain dump because I forgot how to do 4 times 3. So I'm going to do a brain dump over here. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 times 3. 8 plus 4 more is 12. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. Then, after you have your area model filled out like this, where we have a number in each box, those numbers are called partial products. They're part of your answer to your multiplication problem. So we are going to take those two numbers and we are going to add them together to get our product. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus nothing is 2. So our product is 252. All right, we're going to do another one, Tigers. So, first step, 2 digits. 2 digits, 2 boxes. Next step, look at the tens place. Our tens place is 7 tens. 7 tens, because tens has 1 0, right? Our ones place, 2 ones. Check. Make sure it adds to what it is. 70 plus 2, does that equal 72? Yep. What are we multiplying by? We're multiplying by 6. 6 times 7 is 42, and add your 0. So after we multiply the tens place, we multiplied 6 times 70 and we got 420. Next, we have the ones place. 6 times 2, which is 12. I will take my partial products, which are the two numbers in the boxes, 420. Make sure you line these up properly so you don't add wrong, plus 12. And we add those up. 2, 3, and 4. So our product is 432. That is how you multiply one digit by a two-digit number using an area model. All right, Tigers, have a good day.